Good morning, Maya.
Good morning, Sophia. You made it to the cafe without getting lost today.
Yes, I did. I checked the map twice.
And I checked the street signs.
That sounds like progress.
It is. I also kept my phone inside my backpack.
She checked it 3 times on the way here.
I don't want another busy morning.
Your phone is safe today.
And my coffee is safe too.
Your coffee is never in danger.
What time is it?
It's 8:25.
We have 35 minutes before class.
Are you going straight to school?
We have time for a short walk through the park.
Is the park on the way?
Yes, it's across from the school.
This time, he's right.
Thank you for your support.
Can I have a black tea to go, please?
Of course. Would you like milk?
No, thank you.
And I'd like a small coffee.
Only one?
For now.
Here are your drinks.
Thank you. See you after class.
Have a good walk.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, the sky is blue, and it isn't too hot.
Greentown Park is beautiful in the morning.
I can hear birds.
There are ducks near the pond too.
Is that the restaurant we saw yesterday?
Yes, that's Green Leaf Bistro.
You wanted to take me there for lunch.
We can go today if you like.
Maybe after class.
Look at that bench near the fountain.
What about it?
There's something on it.
It looks like a phone.
I think it is a phone.
Whose phone is it?
I don't know.
Is it yours?
No, mine is in my hand.
Of course, you're holding it.
Is it yours?
No, mine is in my backpack.
Are you sure?
Yes, I checked it 3 times.
Let's look at the phone, but we shouldn't open anything private.
I agree. We should only try to find the owner.
The phone is black.
It has a red case.
There's a silver star on the back.
The case looks a little old. There's a small scratch near the camera.
The screen is locked.
Can you see a name?
No, I can only see the time.
What time does it say?
8:32.
There's a picture on the screen.
It's a small white dog.
The dog has a blue collar.
Maybe the dog has a phone.
Very funny.
It could be a very modern dog.
Ben, be serious.
All right, what should we do?
We could wait here for a few minutes.
The owner may come back.
Yes, people often return to the last place they visited.
We can sit on the bench beside this one.
Good idea. We can watch the phone.
Don't touch the screen too much.
I'm not touching the screen.
You're holding the phone.
I don't want someone to take it.
That makes sense.
How long should we wait?
Maybe 10 minutes.
Then we'll still have time to get to class.
Yes, the school is only 5 minutes away.
Are you sure?
I'm 100% sure.
I've heard that before.
This time, I can see the school from here.
That helps.
Do you think the owner is a man or a woman?
I don't know. A red phone case can belong to anyone.
That's true.
Maybe someone at the cafe knows the dog.
Maya knows many people in Greentown.
Does she know many dogs, too?
Some dogs wait outside while their owners buy coffee.
Let's wait first.
All right,
Is anyone looking around the benches?
not now.
The owner may be very worried.
The phone is ringing.
What should we do?
Look at the screen.
It says Maya Brooks.
Maya is calling.
Why is Maya calling this phone?
Maybe she knows the owner.
Should we answer?
Yes, we can tell her we found it.
You answer. Speaking on the phone is still difficult for me.
All right. Hello?
Hello? Who is this?
Hi, Maya. It's Ben.
Ben? Why are you answering Emma's phone?
Is this Emma's phone?
Yes, she's here at the cafe. She can't find it.
Tell her we found it on a park bench.
We found it on a bench near the fountain.
That's where Emma stopped this morning.
Is Emma with you now?
Yes, she came back to the cafe because she thought she left it here.
Can you describe the phone?
Emma says it's black with a red case.
Does the case have a silver star?
Yes, it does.
Ask her about the dog.
Is there a white dog on the lock screen?
Yes, the dog's name is Snowy.
Then this is probably her phone.
Please bring it to the cafe.
We will. We're in the park now.
Please be careful with it.
We will. See you soon.
See you in a few minutes.
That was easier than I expected.
Maya called at the right time.
Who is Emma?
I don't know. She may be Maya's friend or a customer.
We should go back quickly. She may be worried.
We have about 20 minutes before class.
Can we return the phone and still arrive on time?
Yes, the cafe is close.
Put the phone in your bag.
Why my bag?
Because I don't want two phones in my bag.
Are you afraid you'll lose both of them?
I'm being careful.
All right, I'll put it in the front pocket.
Close the pocket.
It's closed.
Check it.
It's definitely closed.
Good.
You're very serious about phones now.
Yesterday taught me an important lesson.
What lesson?
Keep your phone in your bag and keep the bag closed.
That's a useful lesson.
Another lesson is to check the street signs.
I knew you would say that.
We're back at Sunny Cafe.
And we're not lost.
There you are.
Hello again.
Emma, these are the students who found your phone.
Oh, thank goodness. Is it really mine?
We think so, but please describe it first.
It's a black phone with a red case. There's a silver star on the back.
Is there anything else?
There's a small scratch beside the camera.
What's on the lock screen?
A picture of my dog Snowy. He's white and he wears a blue collar.
That matches the phone.
Here you are.
Yes, this is mine. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Where did you lose it?
I was sitting on the bench near the fountain.
The bench beside the large tree?
Yes, that's the one.
What were you doing there?
I was drinking coffee and reading a message. Then Snowy saw a duck.
Did he run after it?
Yes, he pulled the leash and I stood up quickly.
Then you followed him.
I did. I threw my coffee cup in the trash and walked home.
And the phone stayed on the bench.
Exactly. I didn't notice it was missing until I got home.
Then Emma came back here.
I thought I left it on Maya's counter.
We looked near the cups, under the tables, and behind the counter.
That sounds familiar.
Very familiar.
Did you lose a phone here too?
Yesterday was my first day in Greentown. I put my phone beside the orange juice machine.
We found it after Sofia and Ben came back.
Then you know how I feel.
Yes, I was very worried.
I was worried too. My photos, messages, and work files are on this phone.
You should make a backup.
You're right. I always mean to do it, but I forget.
You also need to keep your phone in your bag.
That's my new rule.
I usually put it in my coat pocket.
Does the pocket have a zipper?
No, it doesn't.
A bag with a zipper is safer.
I agree.
Emma, check the screen.
The phone is working fine. There are 2 missed calls from Maya.
One of those calls helped us find the owner.
Did you open anything on the phone?
No, we didn't open your messages or photos.
We didn't want to look at your private information.
Thank you. That was very kind.
Sofia and Ben waited near the bench first.
We thought the owner might return.
I almost did, but I went to the cafe before I went back to the park.
Why did you think the phone was here?
I used my phone to pay for my coffee this morning. After that, I couldn't remember where I put it.
It's easy to forget when you're busy.
Yes, Snowy makes every morning busy.
Is Snowy at home now?
Yes, my neighbor is looking after him.
He caused the problem and then went home.
He doesn't know he caused a problem.
He only wanted to see the duck.
He loves running after birds.
We're glad the phone is yours.
I want to thank you properly. Can I buy you breakfast?
That's very kind, but we already had drinks.
And we have class soon.
It's 8:45.
We have 15 minutes.
The school is 5 minutes away.
Then you have time for a pastry.
Maybe just one small pastry.
I agree.
I have 2 fresh apple pastries.
Perfect. 2 apple pastries, please.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
Sophia understands that question now.
I learned it yesterday.
Are you new in Greentown?
Yes, I arrived 2 days ago.
Where are you from?
I'm from Florence, Italy.
How long are you staying?
6 months. I'm studying English.
Is Ben your classmate?
Yes, we study at Greentown Language School.
I know that school. My sister studied there last year.
Did she like it?
Yes, she said the teachers were friendly.
Mr. Clark is very patient.
He needs to be patient with Ben.
Why does everyone say that?
Because you take people down the wrong street.
Did that happen?
Only once.
This week.
It's only Tuesday.
You all seem like good friends.
We met yesterday.
Really? You already sound like old friends.
A difficult morning can help people become friends quickly.
Getting lost and finding my phone was a good start.
And today you found another phone.
Maybe this is your new job.
Greentown, lost phone service.
We find phones, but we don't lose them.
Sophia, you lost yours yesterday.
That was before the service opened.
What should I do if I lose my phone again?
Go to the park bench.
No, call Maya.
Please don't make me the lost phone office.
I'll be more careful.
Here are the pastries.
Thank you.
Thank you, Emma.
These look great.
It's the least I can do.
What does the least I can do mean?
It means this is a small way to thank you. You helped me a lot, and buying pastries is easy.
I understand.
That's a useful phrase.
You can also say, happy to help.
I like that.
We should leave now.
What time is it?
It's 8:50.
10 minutes.
We can make it.
Thank you again for returning my phone.
Happy to help.
Please keep it somewhere safe.
It's inside my bag now.
Is the bag closed?
Yes, it is.
Sophia will check it for you.
I trust her.
I hope we meet again.
I hope so too.
We often come to Sunny Cafe.
Ben comes almost every day.
Not every day.
Then I'll probably see you here.
Goodbye, Emma.
Goodbye. Have a good class.
See you later, Maya.
See you after class.
Ben, do you have Emma's phone?
No, I gave it back to her.
Good.
Do you have your phone?
Yes, it's in my backpack.
Are you sure?
Let me check.
Sophia.
It's there.
We're going to be late if you check it every 2 minutes.
You're right. Let's go.
The school is straight ahead.
No wrong turns today?
No wrong turns.
No lost phones?
No lost phones.
And we have apple pastries.
Today is already better than yesterday.
It is. We helped someone, learned some new phrases, and got breakfast.
That's a very good morning.
Ben,
Yes?
your phone is on the cafe table.
What?
I'm joking.
That's not funny.
It's a little funny.
Check your backpack.
My phone is safe.
Check your pastry.
My pastry is safe too.
Good. Now let's get to class.
Go straight, cross the street, and turn left at the school gate.
Perfect.
I know the way now.
Better than I do?
Maybe.
That's fair.